Let's talk about the insider trading, how that looks and the nature of this and where the trail has led you. We know that the SEC has been looking into different companies. I think you mentioned another place that about 39 companies overall was on the suspect list, but a lot of these things has been dropped. There's put options in place. Kind of explain this to our listeners who might not be familiar with this. What has been going on here pre 9/11?
Initially, there was a lot of buzz in the media about insider trading because it was believed that the evidence, that the paper trail would lead back to the terrorists. However, when suddenly, after about 3 or 4 weeks after 9/11, all this coverage in the media just dropped. It went away. And when I looked at this, I came to the conclusion after reviewing, everything that was available, all the available documentation on it, that the Securities and Exchange Commission, which was doing the official investigation of the insider trading, they actually found that the evidence did not lead back to the terrorists, but it led back to Wall Street. And at that point, they deputized hundreds of people that had been involved in their investigation, so that those individuals would be bound by a security oath and would not be able to talk about what any of the investigation. And so I concluded that they had basically just tabled the whole thing.
There was one journalist who said that this could be very well be insider trading at the worst, most horrific, most evil use that you have ever seen in your whole entire life. This was Dylan Redigan, who said this back then for Bloomberg in September 2001.
This could very well be insider trading at the worst, most horrific, most evil use you've ever seen in your entire life.
Now, does this look as the most horrific, most evil use of insider trading? And should people pay attention to it?
It might be the case. Again, what we did is not proof per se of insider trading activities, but we deal with suspicious cases. And that's why we need to reopen the case.
Yeah, but you would have to really nail it down to the names. And then you would need to have the actual trading data. And for example,
names,
we
yes.
know that the SEC did look at this trading activities.
They should give the information.
Yeah, but they destroyed it. And this is officially on the record. And now the question becomes, is this a scandal that they have destroyed evidence connected to a criminal case?
Yes, it's indeed a big problem, because as long as the media and the public will not have access to the information, many people will put into question official statements.